Everybody, how's it going? Today we're doing something a little differently. We're doing What's in the Box challenge, where we have a few items for each other and we're gonna put them in the box and the other has to guess what it is. I'm sure you've seen it all over TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. Let's jump right in.
Scary times.
Big man's going first.
Big man.
Big man.
Big man. Oh, you cheesed off, mate.
Hey, don't look.
I'm not.
Don't look. Just
Okay.
don't look.
Okay.
There you go. No, you got it. It's fine.
Oh, what is that? What is that? I don't like that. I don't like this. I don't. Oh, what is that? Oh, I don't like that. It's cold.
Why did wait?
Ew, what the fuck?
Okay.
Oh. Oh, what the fuck is that?
The smelling is brave. I'll be honest.
What the fuck do you mean it's brave? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is that? Is this like pasta or something?
Huh?
Is it pasta?
Okay. With what?
Like, I don't know, like a fettuccine or something with some kind of cheese, some sauce? What is it? What is it?
Look. Take a look.
What the fuck is that? Parmesan?
No, it's breadcrumbs. It's breadcrumbs. It's
when did you make
fettuccine
this?
with breadcrumbs.
When was this made?
Earlier today.
Was it good?
Alright, you're gonna eat it? It's plain breadcrumbs with plain pasta.
The fucking gabagoo.
Okay, we're done. Okay.
Blindfold. If I have to wear a blindfold, you
Come
have to wear
on! I got my makeup on.
You wanted this.
I got my makeup on. I'm so scared right now.
Just be really careful because this one gets nervous.
What do you mean it gets nervous?
No, don't be like super quick. That's all.
I don't want to be at all.
Just be careful. That's
What
all
do you
I'm
mean?
saying. Just be careful. You can take your blindfold off now.
It gets nervous.
Just be careful. That's all I'm saying. Just be careful.
I'm scared. 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 I don't want to do this.
You literally told us to do this.
Is it gonna bite me? Is it alive?
Like I said, no sudden movements. Just don't be quick. You know,
Okay.
just punch it or anything.
Okay. I'm actually terrified.
Aw.
There's a breeze. There is a breeze. What is that? That's right.
Well, yeah. That's kind of how they work. I think he likes it.
What? He? Don't. Ethan, don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. I'll tell you right now, if there's something alive in here, you ain't gonna see him part of this channel no more. It was flying into my hand. I'm gonna shit my pants.
Oh, it's too good. It's so much better on this side. Are you hitting it?
Because it's not moving, so it's not alive. Is it one of the mice?
Yeah.
From the castle? Goodbye. 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 That was genuinely
Yeah,
terrifying.
when you scream, we gotta get that in slow-mo.
Goodbye. That
was beautiful. That was beautiful.
my
That's all in the
heart
first
is
round.
racing.
That's round 1. Now blindfold's back on. And you get ready for round 2. Beautiful. It's been going.
Alright, give me a minute.
Honey, white calling me. Oh, hello.
Oh, hot. Want to touch the
I cannot stand you.
Lay off, I'm starving.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, look at me fine.
Okay. Take your blindfold off.
Oh, it's so terrible every time. I feel like I'm getting questioned.
Where were you?
Swear to me! I don't want to do this.
No, absolutely. Dive in, big boy.
I don't want to dive in.
Dive in, big boy.
Dive in! Whoa!
Ballsy.
Oh my god! Fuck, I just want to punch the box. I'm so scared.
Don't punch the box. I worked really hard on it.
Oh, I can't look.
Don't look.
What is that? Oh, that's like a ball. Oh, is that like a kiwi?
Yeah.
I know, it's hairy.
It's very
It's a
hairy.
very hairy ball.
You want some kiwi?
I don't know how do you eat kiwi?
Are you kidding me?
I've never had one.
You've never had a kiwi?
You've known this,
I
liar!
thought you've had a kiwi, but you didn't like it.
Nope.
Okay. Alright, we're done. Goodbye.
How are we feeling?
Terrified.
Feeling great after the first round?
No. No, not one bit. My heart is racing. I hear it in my eardrums. Yeah, okay. Can I take it off?
Blindfold can come off now.
I'm just gonna keep it right here. Fashion. I'm
Excited?
terrified. No, I'm
Have fun.
terrified. Especially after the first one. What do you mean have fun?
Just have fun.
He made no comments for this one, so terrified. I don't want to do this.
You wanted to do this.
I don't want to do
Oh?
what scraped me. I'm so scared. It wobbled.
Just a little bit.
It shook. She shook.
The nails clapping it so your fingers don't have to touch it is so cheap. Get your fingers
I don't want to
on
hear
it.
from you.
I don't have nails, ma'am. You feel a little weird.
Why are they his? I don't want to feel it.
You have to do that's the
What? It's bulbous. I know that.
yeah.
Ow.
Yeah.
Look it.
Just a little bit. Bulbous is actually a crazy word to say right now.
It's. Is it one of those? Is it a Funko Pop?
It is.
Is that a game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had to sneak a nuggie in the video.
Yeah.
It's bulbous.
It's.
Crazy words. Crazy words.
Put a big on, big boy.
What? 3 bears, 4 bears.
No. This is the last one for Ethan, by the way.
What?
I have to dissect this one.
What the fuck does that even mean?
I have to dissect this
What the
one.
fuck is it from?
I have to go dissect. Okay.
I don't know if I want this. No, I don't want this. If you're making noises touching it and you can look at it, I don't want to feel it when I don't know what it is.
It's all over me.
Wow.
Interesting choice.
Please stop.
Just be mindful when you stick your hands in.
What the fuck are you talking about? Oh.
Look at this, I gotta spray my hands.
Motherfucker, I don't want to touch this. You need to spray your hands.
It's fine.
And now I gotta touch it?
It's fine. It's fine. Go ahead. Take your blindfold off. Don't look, remember.
Obviously.
You say that, but you looked last time. Oh,
I didn't look. I don't want to touch this after your words. I don't want to touch it. It's cold in there. Why is it cold in there?
what is the temperature?
Oh! The fuck is that? Is that Jello?
No.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that, dude? I don't like this. I wanna go home. I wanna go home.
Hate that.
Sandy cheeks. What the fuck is that? Like a fucking teething ring? What the fuck is that? Oh, no. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What is that?
You give up?
I have.
The fear in your eyes.
What the fuck is that? Oh, you piece of shit. Why do they feel so gooey?
Because I soaked them.
In what?
Water.
Ew. There you go. Go get one. Go get one.
No.
He's hungry.
Yeah.
That's terrible.
You like that?
No, this. I don't want to ever do this again.
Enjoy.
Fuck off. Oh, it's heavy.
What do you mean it's heavy?
It's a big one.
Is it gonna break the box?
No. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's beautiful.
I'm so
You
scared.
didn't remove your blindfold.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Give me the box of curtain. Is it gonna bite me?
Yeah. It's not gonna face.
You say something like that. You know I hate you. I don't like when they wobble back.
I say it's a big guy.
I don't want to go in after that comment.
Really reach from the bottom.
I'm gonna need you to never say something like that again.
I'm just saying the safest way to go about it is from the bottom. You really get a good feel.
It's tacky. Tacky! And hairy at the same time. What the fuck is that?
He's a big guy. That's all I'm gonna get.
It's hair. It's the. What do you mean? If it boinks me one more time.
That's your fault. You keep smacking him. You smack him around.
He keeps swinging back.
Yeah, the other hand that you didn't use. You smack it right into the other one.
Where the fuck did it... It was a an arm and it touched me. Okay, I'm trying to just.
That's so crazy. That's so crazy.
I'm so scared. Excuse me. It's rolling. It's fucking moving. Okay, I'm just gonna go in. I'm just gonna. Oh man. Oh fuck. I'm terrified.
You crying?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, you know what? It's fine. We're just gonna.
Can you go grip on it?
It's stuck for too long.
You're doing a great job. Yeah, there you go. Pick it up. There you go. See, it's not that scary. Do you give up?
I'm sick right now. This is.
What?
Is this the fucking lint roller?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Goodbye. I'm done. Get me out.
Why is it
Rip
scary?
the box. What? It was hairy and sticky at the same time.
Well, that's kind of how it works.
Thanks.
No.
You gave me a used one. You happy? You happy? Alright.
So.
That's it for today. Like and subscribe
Like, hit the
if
bell.
you found it funny.
Hit the bell. It's like,
Ethan may or may not be here next time.
listen, you use noodles? You put peach rings in water? I thought I was touching worms. So
Hairy
really,
sticky mess. I thought I was touching something.
the Kong Dong.
Alright. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Have a good time.